In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot deals and sales pipelines. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your workflow, mastering the deals and sales pipelines feature is an essential step for organizing your sales process and improving efficiency. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, assign, and manage deals within HubSpot, helping you stay on top of your sales goals and build stronger customer relationships. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to get started. To begin, head over to the HubSpot website and log into your account. Now, if it's your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your tools. Next up, locate the CRM option. You'll find this either in the navigation bar at the top of the page or under the Manage menu, depending on your setup. Click on CRM to access HubSpot's Customer Relationship Management tools. This is your go-to section for keeping track of customer interactions, deals, and so much more. From here, click on the Deals tab within the CRM section. This is where all your current sales deals are displayed, and it's designed to help you visualize and manage them effectively. Think of this section as your sales control center, where you can monitor everything in one place. Now, to create a new deal, look for the Create Deal button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the Deals page, so it should be easy to spot. Clicking this button will open up a form that allows you to input all the details for your new deal. This step is the starting point for adding a deal to your system. Once the form is open, fill in all the necessary details about the deal. This includes the deal name, which should be something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. You'll also want to include the associated company. Linking the deal to the relevant business or contact ensures that everything stays connected. Don't forget to add an estimated close date, which is essentially your target date for when you expect the deal to finalize. Providing detailed information at this stage will make it much easier to track the progress of your deal and meet your sales goals. After that, it's time to assign the deal to a sales pipeline. To do this, click on the Deals Pipeline field within the form. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of pipelines you've set up in your account. Choose the one that best fits the deal you're working on. This step is crucial because pipelines help organize your deals by their respective sales stages, giving you a clear picture of where each opportunity stands and what steps need to be taken next. Once all the details are filled in and the pipeline has been assigned, go ahead and click the Create button to save the deal into the system. This finalizes its creation and ensures it's now part of your sales pipeline, ready to be tracked and managed. And finally, keep in mind that your work isn't done after creating the deal. Regularly updating and reviewing your deals and pipelines is key to staying organized. As relationships progress and statuses change, updating this information will ensure your pipeline reflects the current state of your sales process. This not only keeps things streamlined, but also helps your team stay aligned and focused on reaching their targets. So, now you know exactly how to create and manage deals in HubSpot and assign them to sales pipelines for better organization and tracking. If you have any questions or tips to share about using HubSpot, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.